Big up everybody we check in. Remember for like, share, comment and subscribe. Now some people say this is the news where the Prime Minister and his supporters want to hear. Say members of the PNP are not on the same page. Now some people say this not have nothing to do with them believing say the opposition are going to win the next general election. And if you agree, comment still voting PNP. If you want to see Mark Golding and the opposition win. But if you want to see Andrew Holness and his administration win, comment still voting JLP. And look on your walk and they will contain the reason. Look and listen.
So they don't want no punish stone man in a hit master. I don't know what the cause of it, but at this me wake up cozy. So you can't say me no make you aware of it. Me move on there. Hey! External abandon!
When I got there, the road was blocked with a lot of debris burning right at Exton where it goes through to Tapil from Junction, and then they blocked the section to get up to where I live, Ridge. So nothing could pass. Fire was burning, so the traffic was piled up, maybe way up back, going back to Tapil and going back into Junction, and a lot of vehicles were there. And the police, eventually the police organized and the fire brigade truck came and they held the fire and they cleared one section of the road, and the police directed traffic so that a set of traffic could come through going to Junction, and then they stop it and a set from Junction to go to Tapil. It has been cleared now. I just got back home. The fire is still burning on some members on the side of the road, but it is far better than what it was this morning, and the traffic is kind of flowing.
We are going into a general election campaign, and the office is being retrofitted for that purposes. So there is no vandalism at the constituency office. My understanding is that I'm still the candidate.
Now before the Prime Minister and his supporters celebrate, farmer supporters, people who were once in support of the Prime Minister who are now supporting the opposition, have a message for the Prime Minister saying that to the amount of people that are now not in support of the Prime Minister, people were outspoken, they say they don't like the Prime Minister no more. How can he believe that even though he said the numbers of people were forward at the conference, how could he believe that these are people who are going to vote for him? I see him, so when they did win, whole heap of people, they go to the opposition conference too, but them never turn out to vote. Maybe couldn't hear what they will contain the reason. Look and listen.
Mr. Andrew Holness, sir, Mr. Prime Minister, let me tell you something, yes, sir. Because I love you same way, you know. I love you as a human being. I love you same way. Love can't change. I just don't like how you're going, but I love you same way. Because I did genuinely love you. Love you more than even your wife. But let me tell you something, sir. No farm fart of yourself. Week before last week, the whole Jamaica hate you. Then you think say all of them heap of people them. And no Cayman them come from and no Canada. And no America and no England. All of them heap of Jamaican people they where you see come a conference. You think I love you, sir? You think I vote them I go vote your face, sir? I hungry the people them hungry, sir, and a Sunday they not have nothing to do. So they need a start for Monday morning because they sure of a thing. Sir, let me tell you, open your eye them and look wide out of your eye them. Nothing now go on for.
Talk to me. Tell me you think. Based on what you see, of course, people have been long disgruntled with certain MPs. So we know what the situation is taking place in St. Elizabeth and also taking place in Central St. Andrew Kingston or Kingston and St. Andrew. But some people say that just shows say the people serious about who them want to represent them. And that even within their own party, if the right person is not there to represent them not going to agree with it. Some people say this is the mindset of Jamaicans in this voting age, where the people are saying that not because them community loyal to a particular party. If the party now do what the people are asked of them, is that they will stop showing support completely. Means them not support the opposition, but they not support the party they need. Or they may go support the opposition. This lady will speak a while ago said she was a supporter. This is what she said and me I say so. She said she was once a supporter. And now she support the opposition. And just say based on the direction or based on what the party has do or say. And while some people might say, see there, the opposition are on the same page, that are two constituency, no matter about no MP. We have seen similar situations with the government and the Labour Party, where people are protest about the MP with them off. But while that shows say the people not even say nothing in support, but the people disgruntled with them party. We hear the people in St. Elizabeth when they talk about the Labour Party say, yo, them still plan to vote for the Labour government. Them just want them MP for change. So these people, them not, and this is not like them people that plan to change party. They must upset to them MPs. And some people say them still plan to vote for who them plan to vote for. So I'm going to say the comment section opening, use the like icon and the comment section as the poll station. Drop a like on the video and comment in the comment section who you have voted for. Let your voice be heard. Because some people believe say the government or hopes the loyalists will be the ones who will vote them into power, even though them not agree with everything what the government do. But most people are say they believe that the amount of people who plan to vote for the opposition will be way more than the amount of people who are going to vote for the government. And we're going to do the survey with the comment section. So in the comment section, make we hear one have to say. Remember, ultimately the choice is with the people. MPs and politicians and people who do polls and surveys can say all what they want to say. But what the people they must say. Ultimately, as so a government is decided, or so a party win the election and people place them as the government. So of course we have some people who are going to say, we'll see what will be the outcome after everybody votes. But tell me what you think from now. Do you believe all the people that said they don't like the Prime Minister the other day? Or let's just say in the past year, do you feel like in this year their minds have changed and them now love the Prime Minister again? Because the Jamaican people stay to you. Them love you now, then them love you no more. And then maybe, just maybe, them love you again. We believe so unless the Prime Minister can tell the people, him say, boy, him work out something, and now Jamaican nationals can travel to any one of the first world countries, whether it be North America, Canada, or the UK, on them passport, because of some, wherever them are deal with governments of those countries. Unless the Prime Minister can say something like that, we don't see him go win the election. Unless him can say something like that to make the people them love him again. But other than that, we don't know. We really don't know. But as I said, that decision is with the people. So talk to me in the comment section. For those who are new to the channel and just pass through, well, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and share the video. Of course, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love, and prosper. Drop a like, what's a share, tell a friend, tell them sister, and then bear them for check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. Until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love, and prosper. I want to stay tuned.